Okay, I'm trying to commit a little patch to fungus. It's just a one-liner. Here's what you have to do to contribute. Fork and clone the fungus repository. So off we go to fungus. Let's fork it. Forking. Forking. There we are. Now we got to clone it. For that I'm using GitHub Desktop. I already installed it, so we're not going to show that. Here it is. Let's sign in. Okay, fungus is here. Let's clone it. I just picked a different location. That is it. Cloning. Cloning. Okay, meanwhile, while it's doing that, let's look at the next step. Switch to develop branch. And then we will have to make sure the tests pass locally. And the README here explains how. The unit test runner is used for testing some underlying elements. And the unit test runner is over here. I don't know if it's a thing I need to install. Oh, no, it's called Unity Test Framework. Yeah, it is a package. Okay, so this thing is done. Let's just switch to develop. So now let's open this thing. I'm guessing this is all right. Can I just open this like this? I'm gonna use it with 2000. I hope this is all right. 2020. I guess we're gonna upgrade it. Once that is done, we're going to have to install the test framework and then make sure that the tests pass locally. But what if not? What if they don't? Okay, let's go to Window Package Manager. Maybe the test thing is already installed. Test framework is installed and active, I guess. Okay, maybe the wiki has a bit more. Tests. Nope, nothing about tests. Make sure the tests pass locally. Well, we have a general test runner here. Maybe that's gonna be it. Run all. Hey, cool. I guess everything succeeds. Okay, so we finished that. Cool. Phew, I was worried about that. Make my change. All right, so portrait controller. Here it is. Down here, we just need to add dot, what was it? Parent here and here. Save it, close it. Just gonna Control R, refresh. Is that all right? Reimport. Okay, I guess that's it. So now let's run the tests again. General, test runner, run all. So far, no problem. Add tests and or demo scenes for your change. Now, how do we do a demo scene? Or where does it go? Well, no idea yet. Let's see, what about these things? So this guy's in the background. That was weird. This doesn't seem to be working. Let's look at the flowchart over here. Okay, so there was a bug related to characters with names that start the same. So this one just doesn't work. Oh my goodness, what? So I have no idea how to write a test, unfortunately. I will need some kind of help with that. Instead, I guess I can go to tests and create a scene. This is going to be move to front, portrait move to front. Let's open it up, and we need the bare minimum fungus flowchart. And this needs the following. We need portraits. Basically, we need show, and then move to front. For this to work, we need characters. So let's create characters, character 1 and character 2. We do need portraits here. Now, I really am not sure about what I'm supposed to be using here. I guess I'll just use something from examples. And for this to work, we also need a stage. So we're going to add a stage. Okay, and position is going to be just left. And now let's just test it. We need to pick a portrait, of course. Okay, so let's see who's on top. Character 2. Wait, what? But it should be character 1. Maybe we need to wait until finished. Very odd. Let's add some say. No, this is the wrong project. Whoops. Yeah, we need to open portrait controller over here. Okay, here it is. Parent. And if we play this now, then character 1 should be at the top. Yeah, it works now. Sheesh. Okay, let's remove that, see if it works without waiting. It does. Let's see if it works without wait until finished. It does. So that concludes our test, I suppose. Let's save this scene. I guess I'm gonna close. Let's run all. Okay, everything checks out. Let's close it. Okay, so tests did pass. Push your fork and submit a pull request. Okay, so let's see. I have no idea what fungus editor resources are. I don't think this needs to change. Portrait controller is indeed what I changed. Move to front is new. Do they even have meta files in there? Assets, tests. Yeah, they do have meta files. Manifest. Nope. Packages, lock. What is that even? Project version. Nope. Version control settings. Nope. Editor user settings. Nope. These files should all be added to git ignore, I think. Anyways, so we changed the code. We created a manual test. Move to front fixed. I already created an issue report. That's number so-and-so. Push to your fork. Yes. Okay, now I'm pushing. Why is it even? Okay, because dev, right? Because we have to be on the develop. All right, one commit. Okay, so this is the commit. Nice. Yay. What do I do now? All right, submit a pull request. Let's try submit new pull request. On the freaking develop branch. Why? Ah, okay. Right, here we go. Okay, here we freaking go. I guess I'm just gonna press create pull request now. I did do the contributing readme. Oh my goodness, there's so much here. Incomplete. This is, I think it might be complete. Make sure you are making a pull request against the develop branch. Yes. Make sure you're requesting a pull a topic feature bug fix branch. I don't see any. I don't know what that is. I don't get it. We are on the develop branch. Should be fine. Check the commits message style matches our style and structure. I have no idea what your style and structure is. Let's go and check out some commits. Would be nice if that was told earlier. Oh, here, to the commits. So fix, here, fix collection contain result missing. The result Boolean field had not been set to serialized, so was not showing correctly in the inspect. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Should be okay. I think the style is okay. I did check all tests. Well, I did not do that yet. All right, so let's check that our code additions have not negatively impacted or altered. Well, altered maybe, probably altered. If adding a new feature, we are not adding a new feature. We have not added a new feature. If adding prefabs or scenes, please make them in the oldest supported. Oh my goodness, come on. For crying out loud. Problem is that I'm using a very modern version, meaning it's gonna not work in old versions. What is the oldest supported? How do I find out which freaking version is supported? The latest version of Unity, it says. Well, this is installation, not development. So the latest is 5.0. No way. Yeah, I just don't know which freaking version is supported. I don't think my change requires modifications to the documentation. Okay, let's go for some documentation. Let's see if the wiki has any mention of move to front. I hate There is no search. Move to front. Oh. Oh no, there's nothing here. It doesn't require. My change modifies the workflow editing of flowcharts blocks commands. No. My change modifies the runtime execution behavior of existing fungus features. Yes. My change adds tests or test scenes. My change adds demos. No. Modifies existing examples. No. Okay, so that is it. Alright, so now let's check all examples. Okay, freaking examples. This is gonna take forever, isn't it? Okay, I think we can skip that. I have no idea what that is. I'm guessing anything here. Conversations, how about that? Okay. Okay. Does this affect anything here? Let's see. John is on top of Sherlock. Okay, so let's actually go back and change this whole thing back and see if that does anything. Portrait controller. Visual Studio Code integration is freaking the suck. Here. Getting rid of a parent. Okay, so now if it's like this. There. John is behind Sherlock. And maybe it's intended like that? I don't know. Let's see. And if we undo that. Alright, let's go. Come on, John. Yeah, John is on top. John is top now. That's what this was all about, so I could make this joke. Okay, so this does change the behavior of this, for example. Ah, right, but it does not have a negative impact. It did have an impact, but not a negative impact. Okay, so far, so good. Alright, let's try this. Custom say dialogues. That's all. Oh, that screen shake was cool. Can we just... Okay, there's no portraits here. Fine. Drag and drop is probably not going to have anything. I'm going to assume. Enter name, probably not. First... What? Okay. Cool. Right, so this doesn't have portrait stuff going on. There is no scene, so never mind. Fungus Town, what the heck is what? Well, that's sweet. Okay. Is there going to be characters? That was it. Yeah, bye. Jumping Prax. That's awesome. Alright, lean tween. No. Localization, maybe? Doesn't look like it. Math. Menu shuffle. No. Mouse events, physics interaction. I'm just going to assume that these all are fine. The experiment. Now this is the big one. They don't overlap, so you cannot really test it. Doesn't have portraits, so never mind. The hunter. How does that work? No characters yet. Oh, okay. Okay, so this is not with portraits in the scene. No. I think that's it. Okay. Negative effect. No. Prefabs are seen. Please make them in the oldest supported. Ah, come on, man. Come on. Again, what is the oldest supported version of Unity? Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna just open this in the oldest Unity version that I have. Because what the heck, I have 5.4. How about that, huh? Yeah, let's do it anyways. Yeah, Unity 5 does not like that. Let's try 2017. Alright, so we got some freaking errors. This doesn't work. Type pattern matching, I guess. Okay, so what, 2017 is not supported? What? Yeah, I don't know. 2018? Alright, let's just undo all of this. Discard all changes. And hopefully, I don't know why it's still noted down as 8. Let's restart freaking the hub. Oh, there we are. Okay, let's try in 18 again. Freaking heck. Alright, let's try 19. Well then. Are you gonna work? And what even is... Oh yeah, the hunter is it. Yeah, okay, that's the scene I had open last. Okay, so we're gonna go to test and try the portrait move to front thing. Yeah, it works. I'm just gonna comment on this. I'm gonna just go with that. Yeah, let's create a pull request and see what happens. I'll continue this video once I get a response to that. Well, I got 3 emails. Confirm that it's broken, did not try the solution on this pull though. Then I got, thanks for the report and the PR pull request. After merging in, I think I'll modify the change to address the holder directly rather than the image parent transform in case further hierarchy changes are made to portraits down the line. Sounds good to me. I know pretty much nothing about what the plans are for restructuring the internals of Fungus. It's nice to hear some background info though. As for versions supported, there are branches previous Unity versions, as opening a project in an older version of Unity will often result in errors or unreadable data. The most common one now is packaged in the manifest being incompatible. I do not quite understand this. Hey, this is interesting. So GitHub tells me I can delete the fork. Should I do that? I guess I'll just delete it. Okay, cool. Well, I still have this Fungus fork. Not sure if I'm going to do anything with that, but here we go. My first pull request that got accepted. The developers were nice to me. There was adequate documentation, and I might have actually helped people down the line who also suffered from this problem. Let me know in the comments about your online collaboration development cherry being popped, and maybe I will see you also in the next video. Until then, ciao.